Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making chinchin, Nigerian chinchin. Please stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, share, and so you'll be needing multi-purpose flour for this chinchin. I just added 2 teaspoons of sugar, and I just added a pinch of salt, a pinch of nutmeg, and a pinch of baking powder. So you mix that together properly. I actually used a cup of multi-purpose flour. Don't worry, just check the description box on the measurements for the measurement actually. So we are going for our wet ingredients, which is egg and melted margarine. You can use melted butter if you have that. So you mix together properly with your spatula or spoon, anyone first, before you start using your hands. Make sure your hands are properly cleaned. So you mash together until it starts crumbling. So you do this for a while until you get a crumbling effect. Then afterwards you add your milk. I actually added very little. Milk, so depends on the quantity of your flour. So you start kneading. You knead for a while in your bowl or container. Then afterwards you switch to a plain surface, a flat surface, sorry. But before switching to the flat surface, you have to apply some flour like so on the surface before you start kneading. That helps the kneading. So you let it sit for a while. So after I made it sit for a while, then the next thing I did was to apply another flour on my surface before spreading it out. Spreading the dough out. So you want to spread your dough out properly. We don't want a thick dough, because if your dough is too thick or your cotton is too thick, you won't have a crunchy chinchin. So make sure your dough, your cotton is thin in order to achieve or to get crunchy chinchin. This actually looks easy, but trust me, it wasn't easy. I guess that was the challenge I got while doing this, but it was actually fun. Trust me, it was so fun. So yeah, after doing this, make sure your cooking oil is hot before you start frying, because that's the next step. Make sure it's hot before you start frying, okay? You don't want to make that mistake. So you let it fry for a while, for like a minute or two. As long as your cooking oil was hot before you start frying, then it's not going to take forever to fry. Trust me. So after frying, you take it out, sieve it, and voila, you're done. This cooking thing is easy. Don't mind me. But anyways, that was just it. That's basically how this video or this making of chinchin went. So easy like that. The way it looks, that's how easy it was. So don't forget to check the description box for the measurements of each and every thing. I used the ingredients, the recipe, the what to go like that. Don't forget to check the description box to know the measurements. So yeah, after a while, this is our chinchin. You can hear that sound, yeah? Sounds nice. sounds crunchy. Anyways, we've come to the end of this video, so thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for liking, share, and every single thing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, come on, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can get notified every single time I post a video. Bye.